Hello, my name is Tania Chen. I'm a Chinese-Mexican queer writer living in Mexico City. Personally, I write because I want to inspire other people. And I always loved writing. I always wanted to publish, but I didn't have the support or the knowledge to sort of become involved in the community in the way that I have. And again, that is thanks to the support of Clarion West. They not only offered me a chance through the workshop, but they also helped me connect to the online speculative community. And for international writers like myself, geographical location is the biggest barrier because attending any class that is on site is just financially impossible for most of us. The fact that Clarion West has done their classes online, I think that it's a lot of work, and it's a lot of, I think it shows a lot of dedication on their part to, you know, to actually want to enrich the community and to support BIPOC writers abroad. A, a lot of us live in countries that are not as liberal as the US. So there's a lot of other struggles that we go through, and a lot of other obstacles that we face in our home countries. And by having this door open uh, to the speculative community online and the States, and to be in touch with publishers there and other writers that live there, it's enriching, and it's helpful. It's wonderful. And I don't know. I love it. I love meeting other writers. I love seeing what they're working at. I think it's important that we all have a voice, and that we all have a chance to express this voice, especially during these times of pandemic, in which I think art, whether it's written or drawn, when you're a singer or an actor, it's what's nourishing. The second reason of why I like to write is that I want to help others. I think of my situation, and I think of where I was a year ago, and I think of all the incredible support that I got from Clarion West and from everybody that I met through it. And is I want to be able to do the same for other people, for especially for other BIPOCs. I want them to know that, your voice matters, and you should share it. And I want to be able to be knowledgeable enough that people can come to me and ask me questions, and I can be like, yes, you should do that, or you could try that, because that's how you pull each other up, and that's so important. We're all writers, and we're not in competition with each other. We're here to share our stories, and the most important thing is, to make a strong community that supports each other. And yeah, I think that is everything I want to say. I just want to say thank you to everybody at Clarion West. Thank you to all my friends online. You're all amazing. I love you so much. Thank you. I look forward to this coming year, and all the best. Happy New Year's.